I lowered down the volume on the sound underwater to explain right there. See the water infraction right there? There's a line where the stitch supposed to be. That stitch supposed to be invisible, but because it's underwater, it's very hard to make it invisible. That's why a dive case is always necessary to make that line invisible, so you can just have ordinary 360 world around you. But that's what makes it so hard. See, and this reframe is what I did to explain to you where those little lines are. See, there's a line right next to him before he's approaching the camera.